The COVID-19 vaccine has taken up the headlines recently due to the speed that it was made available to the public. This has left a lot of people questioning its safety and its efficacy. So I'm here to show you all the requirements the vaccine had to meet before it was made available. The list is long, so strap in and enjoy the ride from molecule to medicine. Back in the old days, people relied on luck when it came to medicine. They didn't know honey had antibacterial properties, but they knew it helped when it was put on wounds. How times have changed. Drugs now undergo countless hours of research to find out whether a drug will have a desired effect. This is basic research, the first of many stages of drug development. Basic research starts with target identification. Like a hitman needs to find their target, so does a drug. This is usually in the form of a gene or protein who has decided to become lazy and not do its job properly. We then must validate this target and prove that we can use this target to produce a therapeutic effect without causing any harm to a patient. Tons of different compounds are taken to the lab in the early discovery stage to perform assays which show us if any of them can have that desired effect on our target. If they do, we call this a hit compound. After we get a few hits, we can compare the molecules to see what they have in common to relate the desired effect to structural properties. Just like Pep Guardiola picks his best Man City lineup, we pick our best hit molecules to take to the next stage. The best hit molecules are made into lead compounds, which show promise, like a young Lionel Messi, in treating the disease. The lead compounds undergo in vitro assays to analyze the compound's effect on the target and to uncover side effects like cytotoxicity. We leave this stage with 2 to 20 compounds which could be our drug. Guess what? More testing, preclinical research time. Here we take our lead compounds and test them on non-human subjects, i.e. mice. This enables us to determine the correct dosage, avoid side effects, discover how efficiently a compound is absorbed and excreted by the body, and the best way to deliver the drug. Now it's time for clinical development, make or break. Phase 1, 100 healthy volunteers receive a dose to analyze side effects and the safety of the drug. Phase 2, 100 to 500 disease patients receive a dose. Some receive a placebo so we can analyze safety and effectiveness in diseased patients. Phase 3, 1,000 to 5,000 diseased patients receive a dose to determine effectiveness. Different medicine agencies then choose to approve or deny our new drug. If approved, they then keep a watchful eye over it whilst it's on the market to ensure it's continuing to stay safe for consumers' use. I hope that I've enlightened you to what a vaccine must go through to obtain approval. Some of the smart guys have made videos on this topic, so feel free to click on through to their videos. Also, leave me a comment telling me if you're going to get the vaccine after this video. Stay safe.